पता ही नहीं चला बॉल का।
वही तो मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ, बॉल कहाँ चला गया।
Our boys are not passing, man.
Yeah.
They are not even getting, sir. Ball out. Ha.
Team up, team up, team up, team up.
Good ball, but no one there.
Hey, Sobrat, don't hold the ball so long, hey. Sobrat.
Help, no help, and not nearby.
Yes, Simon, yes.
Come on, 30. Yes, 30. Woo. Yes, 30, 30, 30. Woo. 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 Woo.
Oh, sorry, sorry.
Sige, manunda ball gina.
Huh. Good Bob.
Yes, yes, enter now. Yes.
I think a player is injured. Pani, there is a... Sir, I have a bottle there. Someone run. Ingtam, bottle.
Okay, Blong. Mira, te suder tu.
boy.
There is a bottle.
Medical staff.
Not like that though. S- Got a nice push, I guess. Yes.
No, sir, he put the ball, sir. He hit the ball first. But he got the ball first, no, sir. And it was not that high, sir. In this level, knee level, sir, knee level. Yes, sir, it was not, sir, if it was this side, then he could have accepted penalty, but it was this side, sir.
No.
This side, sir.
You are not.
But sir, not that high, sir. Not that high.
Okay.
And he actually put his head wrong. No, sir, how can it be a penalty, sir? He hit the ball first, sir. He hit the ball first, sir. It's not blocking, sir. But sir, he kicked the ball first, sir.
If I would have got here penalty, then I will score, sir. Really.
Take one.
Samuel.
Injured.
Ah. Number 9, I guess.
How?
Oh, ball he was heading and they put the leg. It's a goal.
Sir,
Hmm.
if I would got here, no, sir. Surely I will score.
Okay, okay.
अरे सभी को तो भर्ती नहीं सर